Once you're finished slushing and ready to clean your unit, dispense any remaining frozen drink. Stop the current preset, press the rinse button, add warm water up to the vessel's max fill line, 3,310 millilitres. Let the water run through the vessel for 1 to 2 minutes. With a large bowl under the dispense area, slowly empty the water from the unit using a gentle pull of the dispense handle to the rinse dispense location. Repeat with fresh water as needed. Stop rinse cycle by pressing the rinse button again. Ensure all water is dispensed from the vessel, then press the power button to turn off the unit. Pull the bail handle forwards to unlock the vessel and pull the vessel towards you. Slide the auger off the evaporator. Wipe down the evaporator with a warm, damp cloth. Slide out the condensation catch. Wipe sides of the motor base down the unit with a warm, damp cloth if needed. Remove the drip tray from the motor base. Remove the top grate tray from the drip tray base and rinse.